you ever feel like planning your week is more of a chore than actually a joy? You go, oh, I haven't set up the new week. Well, I want to change that for you, because today I'm going to be setting up my weekly planner in my A5 Filofax using my bullet journal style planner insert printable download. If you are ready, I am ready. What I want you to do is I want you to use your planner to intentionally slow you down. I want you to enjoy the moment. I want you to be more mindful. Here in Australia, it is summer. So I am actually going to be doing some cute summer themed doodles for my planner pages. But of course, for those of you that are in a not so warm season, all you have to do is swap out the drawing with a theme that's more suitable to you. So if you are juggling things and if you're feeling a little bit lost and I'm feeling a little bit overwhelmed, do join me today. I will have the links in the description. So this is the Filofax A5 Pop Organiser in the color Clover. The planner printable that I'm using is my bullet journal style planner bundle. So it has all the planner pages that you need for the whole month. Setting up my planner pages each week, look at it not just as a functional thing. Look at it as something therapeutic. I'm going to be doing a vertical setup. I have already done my pencil outline. So today I'm gonna draw a watermelon, an icy pole or a popsicle, a cold drink, ice cream, and sun for summer. Use my pencil, and the pencil that I used is part of this Zebra Blend 4S. So it has 4 pens, black, red, green, and blue, and the actual clip is a pencil, so a mechanical pencil. So that's what I've used to draw the outline. I'm going to use felt tip pen, so I'll be using this uni pen fine line. So really the first thing is just to draw the outline. And of course, if you were doing this yourself, you wouldn't be talking and drawing at the same time. I want you to really be mindful. For me, I had to actually look up what being mindful is, because I thought mindful is all these, woo-woo things, meditating and crossing your legs, that you have to be in a lotus position. But all it is being mindful is just actually focusing on the present moment. You're not worrying about what happened yesterday, last week, last month, 2024. It's just focusing on the moment. See, there's a little popsicle. And if you go, I am not artistic, Marianne, I don't know how to draw, you know who's your friend? Pinterest. Pinterest is your friend. So there we go. Look at that. We have watermelon, popsicle, cold drink, and then the other one is on here, ice cream. So actually slowing down and taking the time to do something that you enjoy is going to help with your mindfulness. There we go. That's my doodles. So what I'm going to do, coloring is another great way of being mindful. So if you go to me, Marianne, I'm not really into the, meditation or the deep breathing or closing my eyes. It's not something that I'm comfortable with. But remember, like everything else, it takes time. Habits like these take time. Drawing is another great form of mindfulness. So today I'm going to use my Pentel brush sign pen. Pick whatever colors would suit. Enjoy the moment, enjoy the time. So what are the benefits of setting up your weekly page and actually slowing yourself down and being intentional about it and not stressing out and not overwhelming and not getting anxious that I'm behind? So one of the first things is it helps you to be mindfully focused on the task at hand. Slowing down helps you to be present. It helps you to be mindful. Be present. Be focused in the moment. And then if you do find your thoughts wandering, acknowledge the thought. Just the same way if you are meditating and thoughts have wandered, acknowledge it. Okay, yep, I'm thinking all that stuff. Use your time when you are planning to focus on whatever you're doing. Don't do anything else. Just enjoy the moment. Enjoy slowing down. Enjoy the task at hand. What else is the benefit of actually taking the time to slow yourself down and set up your weekly, your daily, your monthly pages? Whether you're embellishing your planner pages with doodles, with washi tapes, or with colorful markers, it is a great creative outlet, because when you add these things to your planner pages, it lets you tap into that creative side of your brain. And that creative side is the thing that will give you joy, that'll give you a lot of dopamine hits. It's really important that whatever it is that you find creative, and the big thing I need you to take away from this is, do not compare yourself to other accounts, the things you see on Instagram, things you see on YouTube. You might go, I'll never be able to do all of that. Embellish your pages the way you feel is creative. Question of the day is, how do you like to embellish your planner pages? Do you have a collection of washi tapes and stickers? Do you have a collection of markers and pens? Let me know, what is your favorite way to embellish your planner pages? What else is the benefit of slowing down when you are setting up your weekly pages and being intentional about it and focusing on it? It's a great self-care ritual. It's a great time for you to do something that you enjoy. Take time to set up your page, and you know what it is? It's a nice little gift to yourself. It's a nice little way to say to yourself, Mariane, you worked hard this week. Mariane, you've stressed a lot this week. You know what? It's time for you to go and enjoy the moment. Enjoy your time. Take this time to look after yourself through your planning. Make it a self-care ritual. Looking at planning as a way to slow yourself down, and it's your me time. If you are loving these ideas and you go, oh wow, I'm going to start looking at my weekly planning and embellishing my pages as a way to look after myself, slow myself down, make sure to hit that like button. The other benefit of taking the time to embellish your planner pages, to slow yourself down, is then of course functionally it will help you be organized. You can plan your day and your week, write down all the things you have to do, the important things that's part of your work, your daily personal life, the bills that got to get paid. Not only is it going to be your setup for the new week or the day or the new month, a way for you to be organized, but it does bring you joy. So if you are new to my channel, please make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so we can hang out more. If you want more planning videos and hang out with the awesome plannerette, if you are looking for fun ways to use different hand lettering fonts or hand lettering style, just like something like this that I did for December, or something like this, a different type of fonts using your zebra mild liner and a black pen, different hand lettering fonts to use up your planner pages. I do have 5 different ways to hand letter using your markers and a black pen. So there's one. You got bubbles. If you have your dot marker, Koretake Zig Clean Color Dot Marker, you can have that lettering style, or this one. And this one is the one that I used for my December calendar spread. I'll have that available in the link below. I do appreciate you. Thank you so much for joining me. Let's have a look one last time at the weekly spread. Plan intentionally, slow yourself down, and I will see you all next time.